So we were talking about transitive and intransitive verbs, because when we talk about transitive verb, in transitive verb there is fa'il and maf'ul, like naswara zaidun ahmada. So over there is fa'il zaidun and verb is naswara and ahmada is maf'ulun bihi. The act of helping is done by Zaid, and for whom he is doing for Ahmad. So that is what a fell mutaaddi, transitive verb, because the action is direct, means directly is happening directly on the maf'ul bihi, and that is done by Zaidun. But when we talk about intransitive verb, the action that is done by the verb means subject that does not reach the object directly, but there's need to get it, means reached through a preposition, means there is necessity of using a preposition. And intransitive verbs, whenever we use any noun after the means subject. So if we make a sentence like I was asking you, like ukila at-ta'amu, this is knife file, because knife file is not a direct, not a file, because the action of eating has been done. Action of eating has been done. Now that is not mentioned who did it, but the action has been done. And on whom it has been done? It has been done on at-ta'amu. So that is what it we call it. That is this verb, that is ukila, is transitive verb or mutaaddi, because we never need to use any kind of preposition before the knife file, that is at-ta'amu. When we use means we have got knife file, like we say dhuhiba bi zainaba or dhuhiba bi zaidin, dhuhiba bihi, dhuhiba bihima, dhuhiba bihim. Means he went away with some people, with her, with his brother, with them, with two of them likewise. So then we need to use preposition. So this is what intransitive verb. And I will give you more examples, don't worry about it. We are going to have more examples, inshallah. So do you understand this?
Yes, sir. Alhamdulillah.
Okay, now let me go to the Quran for a while. Can you see Quran?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just a minute. Okay, you see this verse of the Quran, Khatam Allahu ala qulubi. What do you think? What type of verb is it?
Khatama is intransitive, as it's not taking the object into the accusative case because of ala.
Yes,
Lazim.
very good. So this is what?
Lazim.
Intransitive.
Lazim.
Yes. Now, فَزَادَهُمُ اللَّهُ مَرَضًا. Yes, do it. I'm just receiving a call.
متعدي.
متعدي.
Mutati. Okay, why? Yes, why is it lazim?
No, it is متعدي, sir. فزادهم الله قوة.
Mutati, why?
Because there is no preposition between Allah and maful.
Very good. So there are two object means maf'ulun bihi or one? Find out. There are two or one? Hurry up.
Is it two? Humu and Marada?
Yes. Try to find two or one.
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 So what was the question?
Are there two objects after zad
What was the
or
question?
one?
How many مفعول به are there?
Oh, okay.
Yes. How many?
It's two, sir.
Two. فزادهم الله مرضا. فزادهم
are you there?
الله
It's two.
two.
Hum
Yes.
and
مرضا.
marada,
Very good.
I think.
Okay, what about وَإِذَا قِيلَ لَهُمْ?
So is it two? The hum, the pronoun hum and
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, that's
maradan.
correct. Yes,
We can't hear you,
that's
sir.
correct.
You're breaking up, sir.
Yes, that's correct. What about وَإِذَا
So your
قِيلَ
voice is
لَهُم?
breaking up, we can't hear you.
قِيلَ لَهُم. وَإِذَا قِيلَ لَهُم. قِيلَ لَهُم.
Sir,
قِيلَ لَهُم.
can you hear me?
وَإِذَا, you can understand. Okay, قِيلَ. It was actually, okay, you haven't learned that. Leave it. You haven't learned.
Sir, can you
Yes.
hear me? You're breaking up. I didn't hear the answer for فزادهم مرضا. Is it two مفعول به
Yes,
or
yes.
one?
Two
But
maf'ul.
is it the
Two.
pronoun and marada?
Yes, Zamir and Maraza.
Okay.
Okay. By the Kilalum, we are leaving it because you haven't learned that. آمن السفهاء. Okay, leave. Just a minute. Can you find out yourself 20 examples from Quran of both of them? Lazim and Mutaddi, 20 each. Is it possible?
As homework, sir.
Yes, as
Inshallah.
homework.
Yes, inshallah.
Inshallah.
So I think I should give you homework and also find out the majhul and ma'lum and the majhul without harf jar and majhul with harf jar as well. Right? Like for
Yes, sir.
example, ذهب لا ذهب بسمعهم. What do you think about it? لا ذهب بسمعهم.
لازم.
No, it's
لازم.
not.
لازم. يخطف أبصارهم. يخطف
متعدي.
متعدي. Very good. Very good. اعبدوا ربكم الذي. What is u'budu, by the way? U'budu.
Amar.
Amar. So what is it? Lazim or muta'addi?
متعدي.
Muta'addi.
Mutaddi.
Wad'u means ud'u shuhada'akum. Yes.
Same متعدي.
Mutaddi.
Or
Mutaddi.
ruziqu minha. Razaqa yarzuqu. Ruziqa, ruziqa,
Lazim.
ruziqu. Ruziqu
La-
minha.
Lazim.
لازم.
لازم. ورزقنا من قبل.
Lazim.
لازم.
Yes, very good. ماذا أراد الله بهذا؟
لازم.
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 هذا.
أوكي. ينقضون عهد الله.
متعدي.
متعدي. ما أمر الله به.
لازم.
لازم.
Very good, mashallah. Now you are understanding. Okay, very good, mashallah. So go through the examples and go through, means keep on working on gardans, concepts, whatever I have told you. Try to memorize them, make more and more examples, whatever you can, do them, inshallah. So we are going to meet again tomorrow, inshallah, after Jummah prayers, right?
Inshallah. So, sir,
Inshallah.
the homework is that we need to write down 20 examples in the
At least
Quran of
20, yes, at least 20. There's no upper limit of your own. I mean, if you're volunteering yourself, it's up to you.
لازم المتعدي.
Yes, lazim and muta'ad.
Right. In the majhul and the ma'lum.
Yes, both.
Okay.
Right?
Inshallah. Okay, inshallah.
Inshallah. See you, inshallah, tomorrow after Jummah prayers. With the grace of Allah Almighty, with the request of prayers, may Allah Almighty make it easy for all of us. And may Allah Almighty bless this action of learning, inshallah. Right?
Inshallah.
Okay, ji. Assalamu
آمين.
alaikum wa rahmatullah.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.